Hello everyone, welcome to Dometic. My name's Adam and we've got Wendy on the camera. And today we're going to be showing you around an Elddis Autoquest Cv20. It's a 2023 model, it's in stock and it's available for you to buy. So let's have a look around, I'll talk you through some of the features and tell you a few things about this. So it's a 6 metre camper van, 5.99 to be precise. It's 2 travelling, 2 sleeping, really nice layout, really practical. It's in the grey colour, which is a cost option, so it's an upgrade on the van. We've also got the alloy wheels, they don't come standard. You've got underslung gas tanks, so no, you don't have to mess around with your gas bottles. It doesn't take up any valuable storage inside the van. So you've got underslung gas tank. Toilet cassette lives in there. You've got your waste and fresh water drain off down the bottom. You've got your water fill point just there for your onboard water tank. And as you can see, we're hooked up to the mains electric, so you've got your electrical hookup point just there. Round onto the back, we have got a TV area at the top as well. I don't know if Wendy can point that out.
Yep.
We've got a reverse camera built into the top because we do have the screen on this one, which you'll see on the inside. Barn doors on the back, which opens up to your lovely lounge area. I'll show you more of that on the inside.
Yep.
I'll leave it open so you can see when we go around. Onto the passenger side, another extra we've got your Dometic wind out awning with your LED awning light just underneath there as well. Electrical entrance step and your diesel point with AdBlue is just there. Opening your habitation door, you've got a fly screen on the door, which just pulls all the way across. I've already mentioned your step, and then we'll go in and go down towards the cab first.
Yep.
So this one is your 6-speed manual on your Series 8 Fiat cab. So you've got your 7-inch screen in the centre there, so you can connect your phone. You've got the reverse camera displays on there. We've also got cab blinds added to this model. So you've got them on the driver and passenger door and your main window screen. You've got cruise control, all your steering wheel controls as you'd expect. We've got cab air conditioning, USB points, 12 volts, everything you'd expect from your new Series 8 cab. Above the cab you've got storage just in there. So the thought of everything, adding all your storage in. And then we've got the main control panels for your van, really easy to use. You've got your main control panel, your heating and hot water, and this is the level indicator for your gas tank just on there. But if you want any more information on them, ask one of us, we'll happily talk you through them.
Yep.
Behind the seat you've got your freestanding table, so you can use that inside or outside. It's tucked away nice and neatly for travel there. Here we've got your fridge with your freezer compartment, really generous size for a compact camper van, and it's in a nice position being raised, so you don't have to bend down to get to it.
Yeah.
And then underneath there we've got big wardrobe space with a hanging rail in there.
Yeah.
So plenty of storage for you. Round onto the kitchen area. We'll start down the side here so don't forget. You've got your electrical entrance step button, you've got a plug socket there, and all 4 of these, they're all drawer storage. So the thought of everything. There's loads and loads of storage all the way down. Into your kitchen area. Next extra that we've got added is your microwave, always a popular one. And then we've got plate storage and a little bit in there. Your plug for your microwave is in there as well. We've got your sink, which is nice and deep. We've got your 3-ring gas hob with your kitchen extension on the side just here.
Yeah.
And then we've got your combination oven and grill. More storage underneath here. Another one at the bottom, and then just underneath the sink you've got more kitchen storage with gas isolation valves just down there.
Super.
Moving further down, we'll do the bathroom next if Wendy wants to come down. So you've got your wet room here, so we've got a shower, we've got a sink, we've got mirror with storage in behind there as well. You've got your toilet, and there is a skylight for ventilation. But again, a really nice size just for the 2 of you in your camper van. And then down into the lounge area you've got your 2 long bench seats. So a couple of options with these. You can either use them as 2 long single beds, or it does pull together to make one big double bed in the middle. If you do that, you still keep these 2 seats free. So if someone is in bed, you've still got 2 seats at the end here because this part doesn't form your actual bed. We've got locker storage on both sides. So really good storage in the van. It mirrors it on the other side, so we've got storage all the way down. We also have a TV point here. So your TV area is just above here, which we saw on the outside. So you've got your 12 volt, your aerial and your plug socket there, and then you just mount your TV onto the bracket here. Underneath the benches there is storage both sides, so you can either lift it up, or if we press the 2 buttons that just drops down, so you can see loads of storage in there. And then if I do the other side, again more storage under there with some of your boiler controls, and we've got plug sockets in your lounge area as well. And then the 2 little compartments just here, you've got your fuses, trips and switches, and more access to your storage under there. So it's arrived, it's here, it's available. If you've got any questions, my name's Adam, I'm part of the sales team. Pick up the phone, give me a call. If you do want to come and see it, please call me to make sure it is still available before you make your journey to us. Thank you.